Hey, this is Josh Kubiak here with Mitchell Equipment here in Temple, Texas. Today we're going to show you how to take a Kubota BH77 backhoe off of an L3800. This particular backhoe will fit on the bigger B series tractors as well as your mid-size standard L tractors, the 32, 38, now being the 33 and the 39 horsepowers. But so we're going to pull this backhoe off, drive away from the tractor, then hook the backhoe back up to walk you through taking the backhoe on and off the tractor. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to drop these legs down, we're going to remove some pins to unhook it, unhook the hoses, drive forward. Really simple process. So I'm going to turn the tractor on and walk you through it. We'll extend the bucket just out of here, drop this down. All the weight here on the boom of the backhoe. And we'll drop these stabilizing legs down. We're not really going to put any weight on the legs, we're just going to get them down where we can use them here in just a little bit. Once we get the weight here on the bucket, we should take the weight off of these big pins up underneath, and this is really the thing that holds the tractor or the backhoe onto the tractor. Now we're just going to roll boom back up. That's going to make it stand up here out of this subframe. We're going to stand just up the hair, and then we're going to drop these stabilizer legs down. And we clear the subframe of the tractor. So we just wanted to clear the tractor where we could unhook these hoses here. So we're unhooking the hose from the tractor as well as the hose from the backhoe. Now this hose we got to hook back into the tractor to make sure it circulates correctly, and then we are going to hook this hose from the backhoe back in to keep dust from getting in there. You can actually just put the cap on it as well. There's a cap for each one of them, but you can also hook it back into it. So now we're going to hook the backhoe back up to it, but just to show first, now that we are unhooked, you'd have to hook your 3-point arms back up to the tractor to use your 3-point implements. But really simple how it comes on and off. Get these unhooked. And this is just it's real simple. You can't do them wrong. You got a male end that goes in, a female. Really no other way to do it. So now we're hooked back up to the backhoe. We'll back the tractor back up, fit into the subframe, and hook everything back up. little holes at the pins, they'll lock in place to keep them from coming loose. But now we are hooked back up to the backhoe. We're ready to work. So this particular backhoe has about just under an 8-foot digging depth. Like I said, can fit on an L. The new tractors would be a 3301 or a 3901, as well as some of your B series tractors, a B2650. So very good backhoe. Got a lot of power for this size tractor. So I'm Josh Kubiak with Mitchell Equipment here in Temple, Texas. You can visit us at our website, www.mitchellequipment.net, or give us a call if you have any questions, 254-742-1212.